Okay, so I just wanted to show you how to do this worksheet. So when the two things intersect at that box is where you're going to write the chemical formula. So I'll just do a few with you. For example, like here, you don't have to show the thinking, although if you're visual, you might want to. So the mercury +2 with the hydroxide ion are going to be balanced charge when I have 2 of the hydroxides. So you want to put parentheses around that. Here's another example right here. Zinc is +2. Phosphate is -3. It's coming from over here. So I would need, and here's where the crisscross works. I need 3 zincs and 2 of the phosphates. Here's another one that's kind of interesting. So zinc is +2, carbonate is -2. The whole point of writing the formula is to get them to be balanced and have a neutral charge. So you're just going to be rewriting this without the ion charges. So it'll just be 1 to 1. So I hope that helps as you do that. When you get to the back side, you're going to name these ones that are in these boxes. So I can do one of those with you. Like for example, this would be K2SO4, but when you get to the back side, we're going to call that potassium sulfate.